my good friend, Commissioner North, senior government officials, invited guests, Divisional Manager North, Ministry of Youth and Sports, staffs of Ministry of Youth and Sports, parents, guardians, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. Bula Vinaka and a very good morning to you all. Ladies and gentlemen, and dear graduates, I'm deeply honored to be here amongst you all for this very important graduation ceremony from the Ministry of Youth and Sports, the Youth Training Program. Each year, we gather to celebrate the accomplishment of our graduating trainees from our youth training centers in Nalemba and Nangere, here in the friendly North. Ladies and gentlemen, as many of you may be aware, Fiji is a young country with around 70% of the population below the age of 40. Thus, effective engagement of youth in training and development has a flow-on effect on the economy, as well as growing civic-minded youths to contribute to the nation building. The Ministry of Youth and Sports training program fills in a much needed role in providing for training and education in sectors that are not found in the formal education institutions. The Ministry of Youth and Sports programs aims to fill in these gaps and be responsive to training needs as pathways into jobs, but also to help our youth become job creators. Over the years, these programs have become refined and has provided a relevant and fulfilling journey for our youths. Ladies and gentlemen, the Ministry of Youth and Sport has a long tradition in providing non-formal education opportunities to our young people so that they can make the most of employment and leadership opportunities. In the past decade or so, under the Fiji First government, we have made these programs more widely spread and aim to tailor-make the programs to suit existing skills shortages or identified gaps in skills towards self-employment and job creation. Today, we will see the graduates from this set of job-ready training and development under the Ministry of Youth and Sports. To the graduates, remember, you are at the forefront of our youth advocacy movement. You are role models and living proof of the success of this program, which I hope will provide livelihood and life-shaping opportunities for all of you. As graduates from the Ministry of Youth and Sports program, I would like to see your active participation as youth advocates in all facets of being a good citizen of Fiji. And in doing so, you will support our development effort made to transform Fiji into a modern and dynamic society, involving everyone in our national development and leaving no one behind under the Fiji First government. This government, through the ministry, will continue to roll out the relevant training programs to meet the needs of this nation and our economy. Ladies and gentlemen, we are very pleased that our non-formal education programs are providing beneficial for all our trainees. In this case, the introduction of organic agriculture training at Nalemba, while carpentry training has been the mainstay at Nangere Training Center over the years. Ladies and gentlemen, certificates in organic agriculture and general carpentry encourages the youth and trainee alike to pursue self or paid employment around the country. As youth advocates, our current graduates here in the friendly North must take encouragement from the knowledge that the ministry is currently participating with other stakeholders in discussions on the reform of the TVET sector. This is in line with the 5-year and 20-year National Development Plan under the educational priorities to enhance the technical, vocational, and lifelong skills training at all levels. Over the past few years, we have engaged in monitoring, evaluating, and reporting on our current set of training programs, both those based in youth training centers such as Nalemba and Nangere, here in the north and across Fiji, as well as in our range of community-based youth training programs. Ladies and gentlemen, here I would like to thank all the trainers and staff of these centers for their hard work. Without committed educators at all levels, our educational aims will fall well short of expectations and outcomes and outputs. Many of these trainers have been with the center for many years and range from skill training in technical subjects to social and mental health advocacy trainers and to instructors in music. In this regard, these trainers join the larger community of educators in Fiji, from school teachers to tertiary lecturers, in providing the education and knowledge that we must value in itself as well as in its source, that of the teaching and training family of Fiji. In Fiji, we have held high regard for all our educators, no matter what level or field they are from. During these testing years of the COVID-19 pandemic, I take this time to thank all our trainers and educators across for their great work, especially towards the youth development. Your graduates here today and every graduating or incoming class across Fiji values and appreciates you well beyond the classroom or training workshop. And we look forward to your leaving your training and education mark on our valued Fijian youth in many more years to come. Ladies and gentlemen, one of the unique aspects of this training program is that they come at no or very low cost to participants. And I'm thankful for the Fiji First government for this model, in order to ensure the disadvantaged sectors where economically or due to location are no longer left behind. To make the program more relevant to its alignment with jobs and livelihoods, and in supporting government's effort for economic recovery, I have asked the National Employment Center last year to look at options of reskilling and upskilling affected workers. This resulted in the National Employment Center working together with the National Training and Productivity Center and conducted a number of tailor-made programs such as basic meatworks, tile laying, baking, and beauty therapy. As you can see from the range of programs, they are aimed at various identified needs sectors in the job market. This includes our growing overseas placements through initiatives like the Pacific Mobility Scheme for workers into Australia and New Zealand. We will continue to do this and will ensure that our graduates are fit for work in work that is in demand and fit for them both here in Fiji and where available in the overseas sectors that I have spoken earlier on. Ladies and gentlemen, today's graduation ceremony will see 30 young Fijians graduating after 1 year of intensive training and practical outings to communities. I'm told that some of you from Nangere Youth Training Center have been absorbed for employment while doing your industrial attachment during the period of COVID-19 lockdown. We are all aware that the private sector is the engine room for economic growth, and government believes that a strong and resilient economy is through collaboration between all stakeholders. And I would like to thank all those employers for employing our graduates. Ladies and gentlemen, it is perhaps time for me to wear my Minister of Employment hat and make the statement that it is important to realize that to secure employment is a two-way process. Job seekers, on one hand, will need to make themselves attractive for employers, while on the other hand, employers will be ensuring that they find the best graduates or candidates, and our Ministry of Youth and Sports Training as a pathway is aware of this fit, and we will make continuous effort to have the right skill set for the right skill demand. Ladies and gentlemen, with these few words, I turn to the business at the hand today, which is the exciting and rewarding job for formalizing today's graduation ceremony. For all the graduates, my personal and heartfelt congratulations, and thank you for your continuous hard work. I would like to thank the parents and the guardians for your support and prayers towards your success. I must also thank all your support network, your wider families, your business sponsors, friends and community here in Friendly North for their work in enabling you to complete your course successfully. Trainees, as you leave the centers, I hope that you will take with you the life skills you have learned, as well as the trade skills. I hope you will continue to work with your fellow graduates and continue to network with the training centers. I know that this training program has built a new and positive work-related friendship, positive discipline, good habits, and good citizens. Most importantly, it has blessed you with livelihood, creating skills that you have learned. Use these networks and skills well and use it wisely. Thank you to the staff of the training center for coordinating the training with a big vinaka to our support staffs, for organizing this graduation ceremony for all the trainees. I wish you all a blessed Christmas and a Happy New Year, and for our trainees, a promising future ahead. Vinaka and thank you.